Welcome back. You're watching Chartbusters. Still looking very good for the market at close to record high for the frontline indices, and the mid caps doing rather well as well. And in that, we have one stock which is doing well, and that's Gayatri Projects, surging on the back of a big order win, close to around 1,300 odd crore rupees coming in from Uttar Pradesh under the Namami Gange drinking water project. What's the outlook for this year, the second half, and more so in terms of the order and execution? We have TV Sandeep Reddy joining us on the show. Thanks a lot, Mr. Reddy, for joining in. First up, if you could tell us, this order, what does your order inflow so far stand at? What is the execution timeline for this year, for this order?
This order, including this order, we have totally won in this year about 2,000 crores, mainly in the water sector in UP. We have won about 3 orders last 2 quarters in UP itself, and this order is about 1,300 crores. The timeline is normally about 18 months, and these new orders basically involve, we have to make the DPR and also do the survey of the sites of the drinking water of the villages and all that, and once those things are approved, and then we actually start executing. So the revenue inflow for these orders will only probably start from Q1 of FY20 next year. Actually, FY22.
Okay, what kind of margins do you get on this order, Sandeep? And also, if you could give us a sense that in the next 4 months, do you expect more order inflows? If yes, are you L1 or do you have a sense of that for the remaining 4 months? Go ahead.
We are expecting more orders in the next 4 months in the water sector, actually.
Okay, ballpark number of that, and also what margins will you get on this order, this 1,300 crore order that you've already won?
The 1,300 crore order margins will be around 15%, and we are expecting another 2,000-3,000 crores of orders actually.
All right, so that should take your annual order inflow for this year to around 5,000 crores?
Yes.
Okay, fair point. What's your current order order book and the execution for your total order book right now? Close to around 12,000 crores, I believe?
Yes, 12,000 crores, out of which around 65% is roads, and the balance is irrigation and mining projects, and those have to be finished in the next 2.5 years.
Okay.
So this year, I think from the Q3 onwards, we would be able to come back to the pre-COVID levels, to our growth level. Even Q2, we were able to have a little growth. Q1 was, because of COVID, the execution was very much muted. So this whole year, we are expecting more or less to be the top line to be like last year. Actually. But then FY22 onwards, I think we'll find a huge jump in our top line.
It's sounding good. Financials are sounding good. You're sounding optimistic. So good on that, Sandeep. Yeah. But now let's get to the crucial aspect. What is the current debt in the books? And do you have plans on bringing it down, or are you comfortable with it at these levels?
Yeah, we have a net debt of around 1,800 crores in the books. About the 1,300 crores is working capital, and the balance is term loans. We are constantly in the process of reducing our term loans. We are expecting to reduce another 200 crores before March. In fact, last month, we had announced that we were able to monetize one of our claim, which is about 200 crores by giving a bank guarantee as per the Planning Commission Niti Aayog circular. What they said that you could replace some of your claims which are under litigation in the various courts. 75% we were able to draw, and we are also actively working with NHAI with their reconciliation committee, what they have, and some of the claims we are settling that way. So we are working very much to reduce our debt levels in the next 2 years actually.
Comment on your receivables, Mr. Reddy, because it's close to around 1,300, 1,400 odd crore rupees. That's in line with the kind of working capital loan that you have. So if you reduce your receivables, a comment on your receivables?
So receivables, what we see, we have some receivables from AP, Telangana, and some of the state governments. They have slowly started paying now. In fact, the receivables have really picked up earlier, but now they have started coming down. So we still, receivables are not 100% out, but I think we are working towards reducing the receivables actually. Okay. And our other clients are mainly Purvanchal Expressway, the UP government, and Samruddhi Expressway in Maharashtra, and also the NHAI. There we have not much any receivable at all. The payments are coming as per schedule.
All right, Mr. Reddy, thanks a lot for stopping by and giving us all those details, sounding rather positive, and the stock flying away as we speak. With that, we'll step into a short break. But before we do that, here's something that you, our viewers, must take note of. CNBC TV 18 and the National Stock Exchange, we've come together to promote investor awareness through a special campaign called Informed Investor. It empowers you to make the right decisions with your money. Remember, while shopping, we keep our personal needs in mind and make our own decisions, right? Similarly, while investing, we need to take our own decisions, keeping our needs and risk-taking ability in mind. An informed investor is the one who does not follow anyone blindly.